Recently I've been hearing a lot of chatter about the Autel Evo's video being just as good as or even better than the Phantom 4 Pro in the daytime. Honestly, part of me is thinking this doesn't surprise me. Let me bring both of these bad boys out and just drop it in auto, because once things start getting artistic, meaning that each individual starts playing around with their settings, you can get amazing results from both of these cameras. But what I want to do is see which camera films better out of the box, straight up auto. Usually the camera with the better starting point will have the most flexibility, or at least a better ending point, if that makes sense. Anyway, enough chatter. Let's get these drones up and see what they can do. To check out autonomousdroneservices.com for all your aerial professional drone needs. Let's keep the ISO at 100. Everything else auto. The exposure is 0. It zeroed itself out. Let's go to the other settings. We have 4K size. That's important. We'll do 4K 60. But we'll do 4K 60 at 3000 by 2000 because that's Evo's max ability to do 4K 60. It does not do 4K 60 at 4000 by 2000, only 3 by 2. So let's keep it even per se. I'll try to fly the exact same route for both drones as well. 2 different drones, 2 different field of views, 2 different sizes. But hey, I'll do the best that I can, alright?